Walking the Caminito Del Rey. Whew. Bit hard to find. Google Maps is not that good. It took me up a dirt road. I'm like, no, it's not here. For sure, not in my little car anyway. Anyway, so I'm walking, it's 2.7 kilometres to the start. I have to be there by 10 o'clock and it's about 9 o'clock now. If I don't make it in time, you don't get in. You've got to prepay your ticket. It's 20 euros for a guide, the bus and the walk. So, good. Yeah, somebody pushed a sign over, so I started going the other direction. I'm sure it's the local people to confuse all of us foreigners. Anyway, this is the valley here, down to the river. It's a pretty rugged little track in some parts. There was another shortcut, but I didn't find it on the way. So, when I got to that turn where the signs were down, I decided to take the most well-worn track. I figured that's the one that most people go on. And then I looked to see the footsteps going in the direction that I'm going now and not up. So I hope it's the right way. Yeah, it's a little worrying being the only person out here. Hopefully I'm going in the right direction. It's Wednesday morning, so I guess it's busier during the weekends. It's kind of rugged track in some places. I'd rather be going down than going up, that's for sure. Anyway, coming down to a river, clearing pretty soon. Hope this is the right way. Whoa.